The gold was blinding, but the king was losing his sight. Solomon's heart began to wander where his feet should have never stepped. 10 tribes to the north, 2 to the south. One man's compromise tore a nation. No rain, no crops. But for the man of God, the ravens brought the bread. God doesn't need a harvest to feed his servants. Obedience is enough. On Mount Carmel, Elijah stood alone against the darkness. For hours, the prophets of Baal shouted to a sky that remained cold and silent. No chanting, no shouting, just one simple prayer. And the fire of God fell like a lightning strike from the heavens. It didn't just burn the sacrifice, it consumed the wood, the stones, the dust, and even licked up the water in the trench. In one blinding moment of white-hot truth, the nation fell to its face. The Lord, He is God. The fire fell, then the rain followed. One man's boldness brought a nation back to its knees and opened the heavens once again.